In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform an advanced search using the CINAHL databases, as well as how to combine multiple searches using the search history feature. Please note this demonstration shows an EBSCOhost profile configured to use the advanced search results page with search history. Depending on your institution, you may only see a single search box on the results screen for advanced search. We begin by searching for catheters, selecting the full text limiter. Enter the term in the search box, select your limiters, and click Search. This search can be further modified by using the filters available when you click the All Filters button. The filter panel opens on the right side of the screen. Click the Search History link to view the search in the Search History area below the search boxes. In this search, we want to restrict our results to catheter use and hemodialysis. Please note that if configured by your institution's administrator, you may see the filter panel open by default on the left side of the result list screen. We click on New Search to clear our search screen as well as any limiters we may have selected, so we can create a new search on hemodialysis. After completing the new search, we will combine it with our search of catheters using the search history. Enter hemodialysis in the search box, check the full text limiter, and click Search. The search is added to the search history. The next step is to combine this search statement with search statement S1, which is the full text search on catheters. To combine the searches, check the box to the left of each search and select a button to combine the searches. We'll click the Combine with And button for results which contain both search terms. Note, if your search box has not been cleared automatically, remove your previous search terms prior to clicking the Combine with And button. The combined search is added to the first search box. Click Search to view a result list for the combined searches. The result list is refreshed to reflect the combined search, and it is added to your search history. This search can be further refined by clicking the All Filters button and selecting filters from the All Filters panel. Filters may include publication date, source type, and age. After selecting any desired filters, click the Apply button to update your results. The updated result list is displayed. Click the Access button to read the full text of an article, or click the title to learn more about it. The search history reflects all of our search statements, and each search statement provides the terms and limiters applied, as well as the number of results retrieved. Click the menu icon and select Edit Search Details on any line of your search history to modify the search terms, limiters, and expanders. This is useful when further modification of the search statement is needed. Searching for subject terms can also be useful. The CINAHL editorial staff has assigned subject terms based on article content, allowing you to create a targeted search. When you click the Suggest Subject Terms box below the search boxes prior to clicking the Suggest Terms button, your terms are searched against the CINAHL Headings Authority. From there, you can select headings and subheadings to refine your search. You can also click on the CINAHL Headings tab below the search boxes to browse for appropriate subject terms. For more information on searching using subject headings, see the Using CINAHL and Mesh Headings tutorial on EBSCO Connect. The ability to search CINAHL headings is available in all CINAHL databases. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.